Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Brooks part number SSP6HTL. This is a 6-year maintenance standard hydrotest label. I have some tape over the client's information. This was a label that the client ordered with their company name, their address, city, state, and zip, and then their phone number. That's what a roll of it will indeed look like. Okay, roll of the material there. Minimum order is 500. Sold and priced per 100. That's what that label looks like. Okay. Overall width of the label. 3.5 inch wide. 2 1/4 inch tall is what that is. Hydrotest and 6-year maintenance labels are a necessary reminder to keep your customer's equipment maintenance and inspections up to date. And the benefit is we'll custom imprint these labels with your company name, address, phone number, etc., so your customer knows who to call. Plus, you choose the material, white or blue vinyl or silver metallic that shows void when removed, as recommended in NFPA 10. That's what it is. If you have any questions on the Brooks, this is their part number SSP6HTL Standard Hydrotest and 6-year maintenance label or any other Brooks product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.